Welcome to our professional guide on how to mask and respray your clients' kitchens using the tesa range of tapes. Begin by removing all doors and drawers, handles and hinges. Make sure to number each part for easy reassembly later. Thoroughly clean and dry all surfaces, ensuring they are dust and grease-free. Now, let's mask. Start with tesa 4334 precision masking tape on edges being sprayed and apply tesa 4365 easy cover to efficiently protect large areas. For precise work around edges and difficult spots near doors and windows, use tesa 4401 easy cover precision paper to ensure sharp, clean lines. With everything protected, apply a primer to all wooden surfaces. Once the primer is dry, apply the top coat for a smooth, professional, and durable finish. After the paint has completely dried, carefully remove all masking materials to reveal sharp, clean lines without any paint bleed. Choose tesa for precision and quality in every step of your project. See the website for the full tesa precision mask assortment.